Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anusha and today I am starting my 100 days of data analytics journey. If you are a beginner like me and want to learn data analytics step by step, then you are in the right place. We will learn together one topic every day. So let's begin with a simple question. What is data analytics? Data analytics is the process of collecting, organizing, and studying data to find useful information. In simple words, it means looking at data to understand what happened, why it happened, and how we can make better decisions. Now you might be wondering, what is data? Data is just information. For example, your exam marks, the number of steps you walk every day, your online shopping history, or a company's monthly sales are all examples of data. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you have own small clothing shop. Every day you record how many shirts, jeans and dress you sell. After 1 month, you look at all those sales records and notice that blue shirt sold the most, while black jacket sold the least. By analyzing this data, you can decide to order more blue shirts than black jackets. This helps you make better business decisions. This is exactly what data analytics is all about. Data analytics is used in almost every industries like hospitals, banks, online shopping, food delivery apps and social media platforms. Now let's talk about the tools used in data analytics. Some of the most popular tools are Microsoft Excel, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, and Python. Don't worry if you have never used any of these tools before. In this series, we will learn them one by one in a simple and easy way. So, why should you learn data analytics? Because companies collect huge amount of data every day. They need people who can understand the data and turn it into useful insights. That's why data analytics is a valuable skill for many careers. This journey is for complete beginners. We will start with the basics and gradually move to advanced topics. My goal is to make learning simple, practical, and enjoyable. That's all for today's video. I hope you now have a clear idea of what data analytics is and why it's important. In tomorrow's video, we will start learning Microsoft Excel, which is one of the most important tools for every data analyst. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and join me on this 100 days of data analytics journey. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.